Okay, so apparently my camera only does 3 minutes of video. I kept talking, didn't realize it wasn't recording. So we're going to continue on from here with the Chica. We have the bed with Cat. Say hi, Cat. We'll get to her in a minute. Okay, so here's my closet. It's tiny. I hate it. It's not as big as last year's closet, and I wish it was. But still, it's a closet, so here's all my shoes. Oh, I was going to flip it the wrong way. You know how I am with that. Here's my bathroom. You hear that noise? That's the fan, and I hate it, and I can't hear my music. Yeah. Oh, here's something fun. Hi again. Look. Hello, my name is Drunk. Slut. Wild one. Okay. Moving on. Turn that off. That's annoying. Here's more stuff. Diploma. Woohoo, diploma. Yep. It's kind of boring. Sorry. Not exciting. School corner. Book bag. Laptop. Notebooks. Lame stuff. Go Eagles. Woo! So, here's the screen out of my window, which is right here. Because when it snowed, like 5 snowflakes, we decided we were going to try to catch some on our tongue, but it didn't work because we didn't stick our heads out far enough because there's that thingy up there and the snow didn't come in. But here's the view out of my room. I'm sticking the camera out. Yep. There's Victoria again. Say hi to Victoria. Okay, let's come back in. Look. More Chicas. It's the same picture though. I didn't realize that until today. So, let's say hi to Cat. Hi, Cat. And say hi to Becca. Yeah, she's not really talkative. You want to know a secret? You can't show anybody. Look. This is my secret. Oh, okay. That's enough of that. So, ooh, look at Cat's pillow. This is where Cat sleeps. Do you see all the hair? It's really gross. It's really disgusting. And she wants to investigate. Hi! Does she have boogers? I don't know. Alright. Oh, she wants to play with the string. Hi! Fatso. Okay, she's bored. So, that was the tour. My camera's about to run out of time because it's 2:45, so I'm going to stop and start over again.